Okay, we have another mobile banking app. Let's see, what do we have here? Bunch of screens, no dark mode, no variables. Decent enough variety. A bunch of icons. Let's jump in, see the flows. I feel like I'm reviewing the same app over and over again from the same guys with slight variations. But at least they're improving on the contrast. It doesn't look super bad on the actual phone. Some contrast issues. Pretty solid. You actually like that it's clean. It borrows some stuff from apps like Revolut, but it's still like its own thing. It's not like a one-on-one copy. I wish like these buttons and stuff would be more obvious, but that's easily fixable. You have a bunch of components, out layout. Yeah, in terms of the actual UI, like the visual stuff, I think improve a lot, but the UX is not bad. So you can definitely use this to start like a fintech app. Looks like there are a lot of components that you can actually use and need. Yeah, not bad.